A tutorial for you guys, and this trick is something that I've been doing a lot recently. I got the idea because every once in a while I wish that I had an extra pair of hands on my feet so that I could grab bars and walls upside down, and I can't really do that, but I can kind of do it. I can still hang from my feet, and that's what I'm gonna teach in this tutorial. It's not gonna be very technical, but I'm gonna show you some steps that you can so you can build up the courage, and I'm gonna show you some of the tricks that you can do from that position. Yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so for this trick I recommend that you start from a wall where you can actually reach the ground. A wall like this that is just high enough or just low enough so you can do a handstand and reach with your feet. And then if you feel safe, you can try and let go with your arms. This is how you want to get comfortable with the move. So if you want to do it on a higher wall, I'm just going to show it here with the same wall, but it doesn't matter. But you want to be able to get into the positions. There is several ways. One way is grab with one foot and then grab with the opposite hand. And then you can carefully, slowly climb down like this. And then you can place this foot here, and then you can let go. A third way to get into the position is you grab here, so you want to have some kind of cushion to protect your skin here. If you hang from out here all the way out on the toes, it's gonna be really exhausting. So you want to put the wall all the way in here, and then obviously you want to flex as much as possible, like that. One last way I found that I can get into this position, this one is a little bit sketchy. It looks like this. Alright, so when you're in the position, what kind of tricks can you do? The most obvious one is the bird wall, and it looks like this. You go in here and you push as hard as you can with your hands, and then you release with your feet. The next one is the front flip, and once again you want to push away from the wall as hard as you can, and the further away from the wall you get, the more it feels like a regular front flip. So you push away from the wall, and when you are at your maximum, you kick away from the wall, tuck in, and you spot the ground and land on your feet. Yeah. One of my favorite combinations with this move is to do this one. Yeah, so this is what I had to say about this trick. I wish you good luck, and I can't wait to see some more people get creative with this kind of stuff.